fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone again. This shoe is fresh from, where did I get this from? It got a little bit of light action. I got this, I believe, from Finish Line at JD Sports. You guys know everybody, you got to get their early access up. I wanted this shoe anyway. Go through, take a look at it, see if it was worth the hype and the wait. Let's get this light off. Got two pairs, staring, wearing. Start by, well, let me let you guys know what this is. I already showed you, but this is the Forums 84 Home Alone Edition, the Kevin McAllisters. So you get your two insoles here with scenes from a Home Alone movie. Put these to the side. An additional pair, scenes from the Home Alone movie on them. You guys ready to give up? Are you thirsty for more? Get the shoe out of here. Let me just take a quick peek at my other shoe. It's bundled up nicely, so I'm going to leave it as such. If the two shoes are different, I apologize, guys. And if you want me to, I will remake another video. Let's check out the materials again. It's a Forum with the materials of outstanding quality. You guys a little bit of top action. See the Adidas and the little Adidas Home Alone carpet toe tag. A little burn marks on the side for some odd reason. Little Home Alone house on the back. Adidas triple stripes. Shoe smells outstanding. On the back, got the pull tag, I guess, with the McAllister logo. Let you guys get a little bit of close up on that. Oh, you can make it out. Get a little bag of attachments you can put onto the shoe to design it whichever way you see fit. Just the tag again, same. Just the Forums low. You guys to the bottom, all red bottom. Something in the inside of the shoe though. It feels like it's just paper. Nothing to show you guys in the shoe, but there is another insole that says Home Alone Kevin McAllister in the inside. Get you guys a little bit of light action. So there's some burns on the toe box as well. I'll show you guys that before I start turning the shoe. There's a little burn right there on the toe mark, a simulated burn. Did Kevin set his house on fire? Is that to represent the burning of the burglars? We'll never know. Getting the M on the back. The shoe pretty much is high quality. All the materials are decent. So I recommend if you like Forums, especially if you like Forum lows, or you're a fan of Home Alone, you go and pick these up. I'm a Forums fan and a Home Alone fan, so my hands were pretty much tied. I had to get a pair. It was rough at first, but hey, there's so many restocks that everybody should have been able to get a pair who wanted a pair. If you paid a resale, I still recommend you got a good shoe, however you got it. Got lots of attachments. There are Adidas that aren't Yeezys. Give you guys a look of the shoe when it's going to be on your foot. Alright guys, remember, comment, like, subscribe. Stay safe out there. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!